Introducing Westgate's latest innovation, the LED Recessed Housing Series. Each housing is IC rated, allowing for direct insulation contact without the need for a gap, ensuring safety and compliance. Our housings are also airtight, maximizing energy efficiency by preventing air leakage. For new construction projects, these housings feature adjustable bar hangers, making installation incredibly easy and adaptable for various configurations. The TP24 connectors allow for quick, straightforward connections, helping contractors save time on the job. Now, let's take a look at each size in our lineup, covering every application from 2 inches to 6 inches. Westgate's LED Recessed Housing Series is designed for quick, straightforward installation, featuring a high-quality quick connector with 4 inserts. This allows for easy daisy chaining, simplifying the process of connecting multiple housings in a row. The flexible pipe and galvanized steel bar add to the durability and flexibility of installation, making Westgate housings both contractor-friendly and built to last. With these advanced features, you're set for a faster, smoother installation process that meets the demands of any project. Our 2-inch LED recessed housings are perfect for architectural or dramatic applications where a subtle focused light is desired. This size is ideal for creating ambiance or highlighting specific features, available in both remodel and double wall configurations. It's the go-to choice when you want impactful lighting without overwhelming brightness. Next, our 3-inch LED recessed housings, available in both remodel and new construction models, offer a balanced option for medium-sized spaces. Designed for versatility, these housings are suited for a variety of applications to help your recessed lights provide efficient, consistent illumination. Our 4-inch LED recessed housings cater to a wide range of applications. This versatile option is perfect for general lighting needs, providing ample brightness for everyday use. Our 4-inch shallow LED recessed housings provide a compact solution that doesn't compromise on performance. Available in remodel and new construction shallow designs, these housings fit into low clearance spaces while delivering reliable lighting. Designed for larger spaces, our 6-inch LED recessed housings deliver broad, effective illumination. Available in both remodel and new construction configurations, these models are ideal for applications where more extensive light coverage is required. And finally, our 6-inch shallow LED recessed housings are crafted for areas with limited ceiling depth, providing full-sized lighting capabilities in a reduced profile. Available in remodel and new construction shallow styles, these housings bring efficient lighting to challenging spaces. Westgate's LED Recessed Housing Series is crafted for flexibility, efficiency, and ease of use, addressing a variety of project needs. With sizes from 2 inches to 6 inches, as well as remodeling options, this series is designed to meet the demands of all modern LED lighting projects. These products are in stock at real hot prices and ready for free shipping. Experience Westgate's commitment to quality and innovation with every fixture. Westgate Manufacturing. The future is here, and it's quite bright.